right, got the green flags all the way around. Dodge fans, here's your first opportunity tonight, right here. As he gets ready to build that boost, watch the smoke. Let's give him a big hand right there, if you would, please. Clay Harmon. Now he's your test hook. He got the opportunity to take out or drop it. See what he does. Dodge fans, here comes a good one at you. As he builds the boost. What do you say about that? What a heck of a pull right there. 3:59.63. Your new leader by a He's right now to beat. And here we go as he builds the boost. And that's all she wrote right there. Give him a big hand. Jeremy Combs. All right, got green light, green flag all the way around. Here we go. I'm going to shoot the smoke right at you. That's a pretty good hook right there. Let's give it up for him. What do you say? 289.29, 289. These things cannot even be possible to happen. All right, got the green flags, green light, and we'll see what Jeremy can do for us tonight. And a 2005 Chevrolet. All right, got green flags, green light all the way around. Here we go. Chevrolet fans. Uh-oh. Maybe we can back him up.
And you'll say, too much Cummins and not enough Dodge. But see what he's got here.
Well, it looks like he's got the distance. From Carrollton, Kentucky, and then Mr. Mike Sears. 3 trucks left. 3 trucks left in the class. And then we'll go to the light limited super stock tractors. Got 17 in the class. Good class, strong running tractors for sure. But We got 3 trucks here very, very capable of shaking his order up. Let's see what he can do. Coda Walton. Here we go. Mike Beers, GMC, as he starts bouncing a little bit, but wisely got out of it. Maybe we'll back him up and let him try it again. We'll find out. We got him back there and got him ready to go again, Mr. Mike Beers. See what he's got. Maybe come out of the hole a little bit differently. I tell you what, that's not good. It's a good time to stop right there before things get broke. 72.86. Just not tonight for Mike Beers. So first goes on Abe Loneker at a 3:59.63. He's your winner tonight. Mr. Ryan Wilson goes second at a 3:40.88. That's your top 2. That's your class. Let's give a big hand all your 4-wheel drive, work stock diesel pickups. Right here you go, Mr. Gene Jolly. As he builds that boost up. We're keeping the Hoover fans. Here's your chance for tonight. See if he can mingle with the Dodges. Good pull.